Topic is stack. What is stack? Stack is a linear data structure in which the insertion and deletion operations are performed at only one end. In a stack, adding and removing of elements are performed at a single position, which is known as top. That means a new element is added at the top of the stack and element is removed from the top of the stack. In stack, the insertion and deletion operations are performed based on LIFO, that is last in first out principle. In a stack, the insertion operation is performed using a function called push and deletion operation is performed using a function called pop. In the figure, push and pop operations are performed at a top position in the stack. That means both the insertion and deletion operations are performed at one end, that is at top. A stack data structure can be defined as stack is a linear data structure in which operations are performed based on LIFO principle. Stack can also be defined as a collection of similar data atoms in which both insertion and deletion operations are performed based on LIFO principle. Now consider one example. If we want to create a stack by inserting 10, 45, 12, 16, 35 and 50, then 10 becomes the bottom most element and 50 is the topmost element. The last inserted element 50 is at top of the stack as shown in figure. Now what are the applications of stack? Now first application, stacks are used in conversion of expression from infix notation to postfix and prefix notation. Second application, stacks are used for evaluation of infix and postfix forms. Third is stacks are used in T-traversal techniques. Fourth application is recursive functions are implemented using stacks. The copies of variable at each level of recursion are stored in stack. Fifth application is compilers use stacks in syntax analysis phase to check whether a particular statement in a program is syntactically correct or not. Sixth application is computers use stack during interrupts and function calls. The information regarding actual parameters, return values, return addresses and machine status is stored in stack. Seventh application is stacks are used in depth first search of a graph. And eighth application is to print characters string in reverse order. These are the applications of stack. Now next topic is a representation of stack in memory. Figure shows a representation of stack in memory. Stack may be represented in memory in various ways by means of one-way list or a linear list. A stack will be maintained by linear array stack, a pointer variable top which contains the location of the top element of the stack, and a variable max stk which gives the maximum number of elements which can be held by the stack. The condition top equal to 0 or top equal to null will indicate that the stack is empty. So figure shows top equal to 3, the stack has 3 elements x, 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 comma, y, y, y and z, 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 and max stack equal to 8, there is room for 5 more atoms in the stack. The operation of adding an atom onto a stack and the operation of removing an atom from a stack may be implemented by the procedures called push and pop. There are two operations on stack. They are push operation and pop operation. Push operation is used to insert an element into a stack. In the executing procedure push, one must first test whether there is room in the stack for the new atom. If not, then the condition known as overflow. So the algorithm of push operation is as push, then we use a parameters stack, top, max stack and atom. These are the parameters we use in push algorithm, push operation algorithm. The first step is if top equal to max stack, then print overflow and return. Step 2, set top equal to top plus 1, and third step is set stack of top equal to atom, and fourth step is return. Now consider one example. Consider the stack in the above figure. We simulate the operation push stack comma www. The first step is top equal to 3, control is transferred to step 2. Step 2, top equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Step 3, stack of top equal to stack of 4 equal to www. This is the atom, and fourth step is return. In the example, www is the top element in the stack. Pop operation is used to delete an element from a stack. In executing the procedure pop, one must first test whether there is an element in the stack to be deleted. If not, then the condition known as underflow. Now, next operation is pop. Now, we will discuss here the algorithm of pop operation. In pop operation, we use the three parameter for stack, top and atom. The first step is if top equal to 0, then print underflow and return. Step 2, set atom equal to stack of top, and step 3, set top equal to top minus 1, and fourth step is return. Now consider one example. Consider the stack as shown in figure. We simulate the operation pop stack comma atom. Step 1, top equal to 3, control is transferred to step 2. Step 2, atom equal to triple Z. Step 3, top equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and fourth step, return. In the example, triple Y is the top element in the stack. Next topic is representation of arithmetic expression. An algebraic expression is a legal combination of operators and operands. Operand is the quantity on which a mathematical operation is performed. Operand may be a variable like x, y, z, or a constant like 5, 4, 6, etc. Operator is a symbol which signifies a mathematical or logical operation between the operands. Example of operands include plus, minus, multiplication symbol, division symbol, caret, etc. And the algebraic expressions can be represented using three different notations. They are infix, postfix, and prefix notation. Infix is the form of an arithmetic expression in which we place the arithmetic operator in between two operands. See the example, a plus b star c minus d. Postfix is the form of an arithmetic expression in which we place the arithmetic operator after post its two operands. The postfix notation is called as suffix notation and is also referred to reverse Polish notation. Example, AB plus CD minus. Prefix notation. Prefix is the form of an arithmetic notation in which we fix the arithmetic operator before its two operands. The prefix notation is called as Polish notation. For example, plus AB minus CD. Now we consider 5 binary operations plus, minus, multiplication, division, and dollar or exponential. For these binary operations, the following in the order of precedence, highest to the lowest. Now see, the table shows the operation order of the precedence, highest to lowest. Now consider one example to evaluate the following parenthesis free expression. Now we can evaluate, now according to the table, then we can evaluate the first step, 8 plus 5 star 4 minus 12 divided by 6. Step 2, 8 plus 20 minus 2. And step 3, result is 26. Now according to the table, now first we use these binary operations for the highest to the lowest order. Again, we consider the second problem. Consider the following arithmetic expressions P written in the postfix notation. 562 plus star 12 4 slash and 5. The solutions, the symbols can be scanned in the 6. The first element 5, first we scan, then second element 6, then scan, then third element 2 is scanned, then we use the operator. 6 plus 2 is a 8, means 5 comma 8. Then next symbol is scanned, then 5 star 8 equal to 40. The next element we scan is a 12, 40 comma 12. The next element is scan 4. The next element is scan slash, it means that 12 divided by 4, the result is 40 comma 3. And the next element is scan minus symbol, and the result is 40 minus 3 equal to 37. So we solve this problem step by step.